So here in this video, we're gonna discuss regarding the earth feet and what is earth grid. So let's talk about this. So first of all, let's talk about what is earth feet. So earth feet is an individual underground chamber, often that is made of concrete and plastic, which is used to house an electrode such as a copper plate or sometimes pipe, which is surrounded by salt and coal for conductivity. So primarily, the earth feet is used for grounding individual equipments such as transformer neutrals or small lighting arresters and provides a point for the testing resistance. Now let's talk about what is earth grid. So earth grid is interconnected maze of bare conductors which are buried horizontally at shallow depth in a grid pattern, often connected vertically ground rods. Earth grids are normally used in substations to create a low impedance path to ground by ensuring the safety against high torch and step voltage during fault conditions.